In this particular part, we will be discussing about text processing. It's mentioned over here as tokenization, breaking down text into smaller units such as word or sentence, stemming and lemmatization, reducing word to their base or root from to normalize text, stop word removal, removing common words that carry little semantic meaning, example the, is, and, parts of switch tagging, assigning grammatical tags to words, example noun, verb, adjective, syntax and grammar, parsing, analyzing the grammatical structure of sentence to understand their syntax, dependency parsing, identifying synectic relationship between words in a sentence, continuancy parsing sentence into their grammatical constituents, phrase clause, semantics, name entity recognition, identifying and categorizing name entities such as people, organization, and location. Word sense disambiguations. Determine the correct meaning of a word based on its context. Semantic role labeling. Identifying the role play by words in a sentence. Example agent, patient, instrument. Based on these mentioned details, we can say that in natural language processing activities, tokenization is an essential step that divides text data into a smaller unit, such as word or sentence. This makes it possible for algorithm to work on specific textual component, enhancing the efficiency of NLP jobs later on. In order to normalize the text stemming and lemmatization, remove suffix and prefix and stored a word base or dictionary from by understanding language and minimization word variant. These enhance the efficiency of NLP jobs that comes after another method that enhance text analyzing task accuracy and help concentrate on more significant material is stop word elimination. By removing stop word, the enable algorithm to give priority to word that provide crucial information. Word in text are given grammatical tag using parts of switch. Tagging defining their category and synectic function inside the phrase, information extracting, sentiment analysis, and machine translation are just a few of the NLP application that might benefit from this technique, which is useful for phrase structure and meaning. All things considered, those text processing methods are critical for organizing and evaluating text data. Syntax and grammar. In natural language processing activities, tokenization is an essential step that divides text data into smaller units such as word or sentence. It makes it possible for algorithm to work on specific textual component, enhancing the efficiency of NLP jobs later on. Technique like stemming and lemmatization try to normalize the text by breaking word down to their most basic or root form. Lemmatization use vocabulary and morphological analysis to yield a word's base of dictionary form, where stemming remove suffix or prefix from word to reach the root form. The elimination of stop word is another crucial NLP approach that enhance text analysis task accuracy and help focus on a more valuable content. Algorithm can prioritize word that communication significantly information by eliminating stop word. Word in a text are given grammatical tags using parts of speech tagging which indicate their synetic function and category inside sentence. This is helpful for comprehending the composition and meaning of phrase and may be applied to a number of NLP tasks, including machine translation, sentiment analysis, and information extraction. Parsing, consistency parsing, and dependency parsing are three key ideas in NLP that are connected to the comprehending the syntax and structure of sentence. In order to understand the syntax of sentence, parsing entailing examination their grammatical structure, This is necessary for tasks like information extraction, question answering, and machine translation. By representing word as node in a graph and their relationship as direct edge. Dependency parsing finds syntactic link between words in phrase. Constituency parsing identify bigger syntax structure component inside sentence by breaking sentence down into a constituent such as phrase and clause. To summarize, NLP techniques such as dependency parsing, consistency parsing, and parsing are crucial for comprehending phrase structure and syntax since they offer significant insight into the arrangement and relationship word inside a sentence. Semantic this section developed into three key components in natural language processing that help understand the semantic and structure of text firstly. Named entity recognition is a crucial task in NLP, which involves identifying and categorizing name entities within a text into a predefined categories. Name entities are specific entities with names such as person, organization, location, and dates. In-here is essential for tasks like information extraction, question answering, and named entity linking. Secondly, word sense disambiguous is a sentence. WSG is a crucial for tasks like machine translation, information retrieval, and semantic analysis. Lastly, semantic role labeling is a task in NLP that identifies the semantic role played by word or phrase in a sentence. Semantic role represents the function that word or phrase fulfill in a relationship to predict of a sentence such as agent, the doer of an action, patience, the entity affected by an action, an instrument, the meaning which can action is performed. Those tasks enable computer to better understand and process natural language text. This can be said after reading out this part. Now we will go to next particular discussion.